is Bata Pierre Surigao from Surigao City. Choreographer, Mr. Elgin Hirocas.
Official Coordinator, Mr. Eugene F. Lupino Jr., Batang Pierre President.
And their contingent head, Mr. Elgin Hirocas, choreographer and organizer. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, contingent number 1 for the Festival of Festivals, Batang Pierre Surigao.
Originally, the Bunok-Bunok Festival is an ethnic and religious presentation showing the tradition and cultural practices of the people of Surigao. A way of telling a story through dancing, singing, and chanting. Also, it is a gesture of thanksgiving and reference to Señor San Nicolas de Tolentino, the patron saint, for the resilience and revival of Surigao City amidst typhoons, calamities, and disaster. In the history of Bunok-Bunok Festival, which has existed for almost 40 years, I suppose this is the first time that a contingent named Batang Pierre Surigao is joining as a private contingent to showcase the culture of life of Batang Pierre Surigao, then and now, or before and after. This presentation will focus on the twists and turns of their life's journey. Perhaps in the past, this group of individuals were predictable, ill-mannered, nonchalant, uneducated, or whatever negative mindset we have about them. However, behind these oddities, these 4 guys have remained determined to survive, God-fearing, and have a strong faith in God. They have tried to lead with dignidad, responsibilidad, habilidad, personalidad, and kapasidad, resilient amidst challenges and struggles, and above all, have sustained their steadfast devotion to Señor San Nicolas de Tolentino. This contingent will showcase a transformation, a dream come true. Again, a dream come true, Batang Pierre Surigao.